Well, I just got a
Welcome to One in a Billion Moments in Nature, where we bring you rare, once-in-a-lifetime wonders from the natural world. Don't look away. The next moment will blow your mind. The Qiantang River is famous for its powerful tidal waves. Look at those two vehicles. They are taking part in one of the most dangerous games in the world without any preparation. And this is one of the rarest phenomena nature has ever given to humanity. I learned that crocodiles have an incredibly strong bite force and hunt based on water vibrations, making them extremely dangerous predators. You'll be surprised to see how a seemingly normal moment taking a photo of an elephant turns into a dangerous situation when the 5-ton animal charges straight at a man. Few would expect that in the quiet snowy mountains of Canada, an avalanche could suddenly occur. You will be amazed by the speed and power of hippos animals that may look slow, but are extremely dangerous when angry. I know trees don't feel embarrassed, but if they did this, one would probably want to disappear from the internet after this awkward moment. People in Russia were astonished when a massive swarm of locusts covered the sky. They tried to catch them, but failed. Did you know that soft-shell turtles hibernate in mud like a collective sleep, surviving without food, thanks to a unique breathing mechanism? We often think lightning only strikes downward. Nature just proved it can shoot upward at any moment. Few would expect the calm Ashore River to turn into a violent ice flood when temperatures drop to extreme levels. Reports show that the Llusco area experienced large-scale ground cracking, with massive sections of earth splitting apart and showing no signs of stopping. If you're wondering how a python climbs trees, this recently shared video will give you the answer. I found out this is one of the largest flowers in the world, capable of growing over 4 meters tall and emitting a smell like a MRT body to attract pollinators in tropical forests. Can you believe that thing that just tore across the sky is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun? The sky right now looks like a scene from an apocalyptic movie. Those swirling clouds are actually mosquitoes forming massive swarms in the sky.
Oh! Whoa! Holy shit! Holy! Holy shit! Let's get
Oh, just a natural diesel lake. But don't be surprised if the U.S. accidentally shows up with planes and bombs.
هذا ما قدروش يخدموه ولا وشنو؟
Imagine the entire sky like a sea of spider silk, each Parawixia bistriata like a raindrop. Nature is both bizarre and beautiful. At the Lipad mud volcano, nature is carrying out a unique pressure release process. There is no burning magma. What pushes the mud to the surface is methane gas and minerals compressed over millions of years. This truck dancing on ice is the strangest thing I've ever seen. Are you curious what causes thousands of fish to form a circle around another creature? What would you do if you saw hundreds of crocodiles fighting over water? This is a brutal survival lesson that nature presents not only to them, but to you as well. Do you see it? This whirlwind is like an unexpected guest crashing into the event, forcing everyone to run instead of playing sports. It's fascinating to see rain mixing with mineral-rich clay on Hormuz Island, Iran, turning the beach and seawater into a strange red color, a rare natural spectacle. In the town of Wandan in southern Taiwan, a rare phenomenon has once again captured the attention of scientists and local residents. I wonder what caused this unusual event. Is nature trying to send a special message? I'm not sure if people were testing their luck or simply didn't expect the wave to be that powerful. It looks like a mini tsunami. Residents in Pattani Province, Thailand, were shocked when they saw a 100-foot-long python appear on a flooded road after heavy rain. Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to touch a creature that seems to exist only in legends of sea monsters? Do you ever wonder what is really happening down there? Is it a massive oil leak or the breath of an underwater volcano? What kind of frog do you think this is? This strange and fascinating event happened in Yemen at an altitude of over 2,500 meters. A cloud weighing hundreds of tons fell directly to the ground, leaving many people in shock. In the land of ice and fire, the Hauka-Dalur geothermal area is where the laws of physics put on some of their most spectacular displays. Scientists call this iridescent cloud formation a rare phenomenon that is harmless but very difficult to witness. Imagine driving on a bridge with the deep ocean beneath you, and suddenly the entire structure begins to sway, as if it might break apart in the middle of the strait. Even though it was built in 1973, the bridge still shakes violently during a 6.9 magnitude earthquake. This is one of the most dangerous and rare landslide phenomena in the Himalayas, where even a heavy rain or a minor tremor can make an entire mountain come alive. One thing is certain, when facing a group of orcas attacking boats, humans are completely powerless against the strength of the ocean. These are the moments that amaze us, terrify us, and remind us to respect the immense power of Earth. Socotra is not just an island, it is a fragment of time itself. Isolated from mainland Africa and the Arabian Peninsula for 6 to 7 million years, it has written its own unique biological story. The dragon's blood tree looks like something from another world. Its dense umbrella-shaped canopy is not just for beauty. It shades the roots below, reducing water evaporation under Yemen's scorching heat. When the bark is cut, a deep red resin flows out resembling blood. Ancient people believed it was the blood of dragons that fought elephants. In reality, it is a valuable resin rich in antioxidants. Don't be fooled by its vibrant palette of neon yellow and turquoise. This is the beauty of a cold-blooded killer. Located in Ethiopia, the Danakil Depression is considered one of the harshest places on Earth. Temperatures can reach up to 143 degrees Fahrenheit, about 62 degrees Celsius. It appears like an alien world filled with smoking sulfur lakes and surreal mineral formations. But the real danger lies in the air itself. Each gust of wind carries high concentrations of sulfuric acid capable of damaging living tissue. Even more dangerous, the seemingly solid salt crust is often just a thin layer. Beneath it are boiling pools of acidic mud. One wrong step and that fragile surface can collapse, dragging the unsuspecting into a deadly corrosive liquid below. How do you feel when witnessing this moment? Is it curiosity about a strange phenomenon, or the urge to set foot on that hat-shaped island immediately? If a sinkhole appears beneath a lake, it can reveal a scene that looks like a gateway to the underworld. Just off the coast of Southern California, a massive family of more than 300 members created a breathtaking display far beyond any man-made stage. Birds are usually masters of the sky, but in this moment, their sense of navigation seems completely paralyzed. This is not just a hunt, but a spectacular display of coordination, survival instinct, and collective power in the open ocean. Resembling a massive gray wave about to crash down on land, it can easily terrify anyone who sees it. But in reality, it carries no tornado or violent storm.
What's the whole lot gonna go?
Under the pressure of the wind and the relentless erosion of tide, even the strongest cliffs become nothing more than domino pieces in the hands of nature's giant. What you are seeing is the ocean's breath frozen mid-motion, tricks of millions of fragmented ice pieces. Which moment impressed you the most in today's video? Comment below with the phenomenon you want to see in the next episode. Thank you for watching 1 in a Billion Moments in Nature. See you in the next wonder. Mother Nature still has many surprises waiting for us.